This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS fundamentals. This lesson is part of both the Express course and Course C. In the Express course, this is lesson 26. In Course C, it's lesson 12. Build a Flappy Game, puzzle 8. Next, try changing the scene by attaching a block to the win run. Event. Okay, so, and here's set scene. Awesome. And so I can either attach it here or here, right? Because it will still, when run, when I click run, first it will set our speed to normal. Now it will set the scene to city. Ooh, I want to see sci-fi. Let's give this a try. Oh, that's sci-fi. It's kind of deserty, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm living. 2 points. Best I've ever done. And I did it. Okay, cool. I love that we can change the background. Let's keep going.